In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a video file from Descript to your computer. Whether you're polishing a personal project or preparing content for your audience, efficiently exporting and saving your work is a crucial step. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your project in Descript. Launch the application and locate the project containing the video file you plan to export. It's important to make sure you're working within a video composition. If by any chance you find yourself in an audio-only composition, you'll need to switch over to a video composition. This ensures access to the video export options you'll need for this process. With your project open and the video composition ready, the next step is to export the video. In the upper right corner of the editor, you'll spot the Export button. Go ahead and click on it to open the export window. Here, you'll need to navigate to the Video tab. This tab is vital as it provides all the necessary settings for video export. Now, let's set the destination to Local Export. This option is perfect for saving the video directly to your computer. Following that, you'll want to select your preferred resolution. Descript offers several options such as 720p, 1080p, or even 4K. Choose the resolution that best fits your needs, keeping in mind the balance between quality and file size. Similarly, decide on the quality setting for your video, with choices spanning low, medium, and high. The higher the quality, the better the video will look, though it may take more space and time to export. Once you've configured these settings to your liking, go ahead and click the Export button. This prompts Descript to begin the export process. Depending on the size and quality of your video, this might take a little while, so feel free to grab a coffee, stretch, or simply relax while Descript does its magic. After the export process completes, Descript will automatically prompt you to save the file. A window will appear, offering options to choose a specific location on your computer. Consider saving the video file somewhere convenient, like on your desktop or in a dedicated media folder, to ensure easy access later. Once you've decided on the perfect spot, click Save. And there you have it. Your video file has been successfully saved to your computer. This simple yet detailed process ensures that your hard work is safely stored and ready for distribution, sharing, or further editing. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks. Happy editing!